Welcome back to the shop, folks. Had to send old ShopWillie home early today. Y'all know what you get when you mix a ShopWillie and a circular saw? You get to repair an extension cord. Come go with me, I'm gonna show you how we do it. Let's get started. We're gonna cut this raggedy end off. Willie done messed up. We're gonna trim back this exterior insulation right here. I usually just kind of line it up, see about how far I need to go. Still need to grab a little something to hold it, protect it. Don't cut it off. Just kind of put it in there and run it around. I don't want to cut so deep as I cut into the insulation of the individual wires. Pull that end off. Sometimes you'll have some packing in here. Go ahead and cut that off. This old cheap wire right here don't have none. We'll go ahead and trim each one of these off about 1/4 of an inch. That'll be all we need. Alright, twist them wires up nice and tight so you ain't get any strands hanging out the side. I really can't blame old Willie. His mind wasn't in it today. All he talked about all day was going bowling. Going bowling tonight. You wanna go, Rooster? No, I don't wanna go do no bowling. I'm gonna have to stay here and fix this doggone cord you messed up. Hey, I was fortunate enough I had a plug in my old toolbox. Salvaged off something else. We're gonna put that on there, save me a trip to the doggone hardware store. First thing, make sure you get this up on here. You don't want to go to the trouble of wiring that thing up, look down and go, didn't put the base on. I ain't never done that. You can bet. Alright, let's explain these 3 wires here. You got 3. They're color coded. You got a green, which is a ground. You got a white, which is going to be a neutral. Your black is going to be your hot wire. Now on your plug, you're going to put on the end of it. If you'll notice, they color coded also. Green screw, that's going to be your ground to the green wire. If you'll notice, there's a bronze colored screw there too, and a nickel. So that's a light colored one. This is how I remember it. That light colored one, it goes to the light colored wire. That dark colored screw, why, by gosh, it's gonna go to that dark colored wire, my hot wire. So let's go ahead and get those in. I always do it in any order you want to, but I always start with my ground wire. Just stick it down inside there. Sounds easier than it is, ain't it? Tighten it down. Just work your way around it. Secure them, you don't want them pulling back out. Don't put them in tight enough. Old Willie, he snatched it out the wall. Next thing you know, you got a wire in one hand, the plug still stuck in the wall. I'm gonna have to get off that boy. Maybe bowl him a good game tonight. He needs one. Alright, we got our hot wire tied into that bronze screw. It leaves one left. We'll put our white wire in that nickel colored one. When you buy these connectors, it may be made a little different, look a little different, but this is always going to hold true. This plug right here has got a little notch in it to line it up. Matches up with that prong right there. We'll go ahead and slide that in and run these 3 screws down. Alright, we're almost there. Like to center that up. Tighten this down so it don't pull out. And that's it. I know a lot of you already knew how to do that, but I know there's somebody out there who didn't. Hope that helps you.
Gutter ball.